Hello everyone. Welcome to Bitsgate. If you want to know how to create an instance, watch our previous video. In this video, we will see how to connect to an AWS EC2 instance via SSH in Windows environment. For that, we need to save the key pair or the PEM file in the user's user folder of C drive. Then, open Windows PowerShell and enter the commands as shown. Here, bitsgate.pem is our key pair name, yours will be the name in which you have saved your key. Now, we have successfully established connection with our server. We hope this video was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.